Hey everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. In light of the season of gift giving, I thought that it would be a really good time to get on here and share with you guys my very best tips for how to save a ton of money on gifts. Whether you're watching this around Christmas time or any other time during the year, these money saving tips are really going to be helpful when it comes to getting gifts for the people in your life. So my first money saving tip for how to save money on gifts is to shop at stores that maybe you wouldn't think of as a good place to go for gifts, but shop at stores that have really high value coupons quite often or all the time, like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Joann Fabrics. Those places pretty much always consistently have 40% off, 50% off, or 60% off coupons that you can use in the store. Hobby Lobby, I know it's 40% off coupon every single day of every single week of every single year. Michael's does 50% off a lot. They've been doing 60% off a lot. The same thing with Joann Fabrics. So that is a great place to go for gifts, even though maybe you wouldn't think about it. But they have books, they have craft kits, they have home decor items, pretty much anything you can imagine. Michael's is a little bit more picky with what they'll let you use the coupons for. They won't let you use them for really big, crazy things. Like I know the Fuji Instant Camera, they won't let you use a coupon for that. I think last year they weren't letting you use the coupon on Hatchimals, but they still have a lot of really other great gift ideas that you can use the 50% off or the 60% off on. Michael's will also not let you use the coupon on books, but Hobby Lobby will. So if you have a 40% off Hobby Lobby coupon, then you can use that coupon on books, whether that's an art book, a craft book, a chapter book, or they sell some of those in the kids section. So definitely a great way to save money on gifts and books and crafts and home decor items for gifts and things like that. Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and Joann Fabrics are really great places to shop for gift ideas, even if they're not necessarily a conventional place that you would go to get a gift. A lot of you guys ask me how I save money all year long, and I price match every single item, every single day, no matter whether it's a gift or just an item I need around the house. I will price match if at all possible. So pretty much Amazon always has the best prices. Not always, but most of the time they do have the best prices. Now a lot of places will stipulate that if they're going to match Amazon's price, it has to be shipped and sold from Amazon, so you have to be a little bit careful about that. But otherwise, I price match all the time. Bed Bath & Beyond, Office Depot will price match. I mean, everybody pretty much price matches these days, whether it's Christmas or not. So make sure, even if it's toilet paper, even if it's something goofy that you need for your house, even if it's something, you know, non-gift related, but especially with gifts, make sure that you are price matching every single thing you buy all year long. Another really great way to get gifts on the cheap is to follow discount websites and Instagram sites like Free Stuff Finder and Hip to Save. I really love both of those sites, and I also follow them on Instagram because they're always posting great deals on gifts. A lot of times those things are somewhat time sensitive, so you're going to want to make sure that you're following them and kind of checking with them periodically. But if there is a good deal on a gift or an item out there, that is really the best place to hear about it first and to act on it the most quickly. But especially this time of year, if you're looking for Christmas gifts or anything like that, it's a great way to find gifts on the cheap that you don't have to go out and do all the dirty work for. They've already done all the dirty work. They've linked to the coupons and all that stuff. All you have to do is kind of read the details, find out how to get the deal, and get it for yourself. So follow those. I'll have them linked for you in the description box just so you can follow them on Instagram or subscribe to their emails on their websites because they are really, really helpful. My next tip for saving money on gifts is to shop all year long. So just like I'm price matching all year long, whether it's for a gift or anything I just need in my everyday life, the same thing goes for shopping all year long. I kind of have an idea of who we buy gifts for. Obviously, our girls, we buy gifts for them different times throughout the year: birthday, Easter, Christmas, Valentine's Day. I also usually give them a little packet of some little things when we go to Disney for them to have in the car to play with. So I'm always looking for things for them. I'm always thinking about my parents, my husband's parents, my nephew, you know, people that are in our life that we're constantly getting gifts for. Definitely always be looking out for those types of gifts, even birthday party gifts. If your kids get invited to a lot of birthday parties throughout the year, or they are supposed to donate a gift to the church, you know, toy drive at Christmas time or something like that. Even gifts like that, it's a great way to shop for them all year long. So you're looking for clearance sales, you're looking for really great deals on items. Out of after season sales, like summertime, after summer is a really great time to get Easter basket gifts or summer birthday gifts so that you are prepared. You already have gifts kind of set aside for your kids or for their friends that you didn't have to pay like peak season prices for because you got them the previous season on clearance or on sale. So just always be on the lookout. It never hurts to have your radar going of kind of seeing what's a good deal, what's on clearance. You know, after Christmas, you're going to see a lot of winter items that you may want to save for next Christmas, things like that. So always be looking out for good deals and for clearance. Now, we all pretty much know that experiences make a great gift as well. So instead of giving somebody an actual gift to open, having an experience for them to go to. So it's a massage, or it's movie tickets, or it's bowling, or one of those escape rooms, or even concerts. There's all different types of experiences that you can find and you can give somebody as a gift. That makes a really great gift, a unique gift that they're probably going to remember more than just a physical gift. But you can also get really good deals on those types of experiences from places like Groupon and Living Social. Those are the two that I use the most. There may be other ones out there, but I use Groupon a lot. So most recently, I got $40 in gift cards to a local arcade, so $40 for the girls to share, but I only paid $16 for them. So $40 worth of merchandise for $16 is a really great deal. So they have things like that all the time. They have coupon codes that you can use that work on a lot of the different deals that are on their website. So it's a great way to save money, even if it's not for a gift, even if it's something that you just want to do as a family, or you want to take your kids bowling and you want to save some money on it. Definitely check Groupon and Living Social to see if any of those offers that you're interested in are on their website. Also make sure that you go through Ebates when you're shopping on their websites, because Ebates does participate with Groupon and Living Social. So you'll get a little bit of your purchase price back in your Ebates account just by shopping on Groupon or Living Social. So it's a win-win. You're going to save money on the experience and you're going to get cash back in your Ebates account. So it's a great way to give a gift on the cheap. And probably my best tip for saving money on gifts and pretty much anything else you're going to buy in your life is Ebates. Now, I just mentioned it when I was talking about Groupon and Living Social. You guys know, unless you have not watched any of my videos, that I love Ebates. I talk about them all the time. I have been a member for years, and Ebates is a great way to save money on gifts, but every single thing else that you're going to buy online and in some stores, Ebates is going to save you money on that. So Ebates is a free website that you can sign up for. When you sign up, you're going to start shopping through Ebates. Instead of going to Groupon.com, I'm going to go to Ebates.com. I'm going to search for Groupon, and then I'm going to click a link. That link is going to take me to Groupon.com, where I finish my purchase and finish my payment on Groupon.com. But whatever my purchase price is, I will get a certain percentage of cash back in my Ebates account just by going through Ebates first instead of going directly to Groupon.com. So whether you're shopping at Groupon or Walmart or Macy's or Sephora or Kohl's or JCPenney or Amazon or Target, any of those places that you want to shop anyway when you're shopping online, go through Ebates first. You'll get cash back in your Ebates account, and they will mail you a check or put it in your PayPal account every quarter for all the money you've accrued just by shopping through Ebates first instead of going directly to the retailer. I shared my most recent Ebates check with you guys from last quarter. I shared that in a vlog a couple weeks ago, I think, and I had over $600 in Ebates cash back just by shopping online and just by referring my friends and family to Ebates. There are literally thousands of stores on Ebates.com. Pretty much any retailer you're going to want to shop on is going to be on Ebates. And they all have various amounts of cash back. So they may have 8% back at this store or 10% back at this store. But the great thing about Ebates is they have specials all the time where they're getting double cash back, or all these different amazing offers where you get even more cash back certain times throughout the year. The reason why I wanted to share this video with you today specifically is because today happens to be one of those days. Today only, December 13th, Ebates is running 12% cash back at over 200 retailers. Places like Macy's, American Eagle, Ulta, JCPenney, all of those stores plus more are offering 12% cash back for today only. So it's a really, really good deal, and you can still use coupons. If you have a JCPenney coupon, you can still use it. You're just going to go through Ebates.com first, type in JCPenney. It will take you, the link there will take you to JCPenney. You're going to shop, you're going to get everything in your cart, you're going to put your coupon code in. Everything's still going to be fine and still going to work fine. And once you pay, whatever your final purchase price is after coupons and everything is what you're going to get your cash back based off of. One thing that Ebates offers that makes it really easy to remember is you can download the button that goes on your web browser, so it will kind of light up whenever you're shopping at a website that participates with Ebates, which again, there's thousands. It will light up at the top of your browser, and that will automatically kind of load your Ebates account behind the scenes and link your purchase that you're about to make to your Ebates account. So it cannot get any easier. It is such a great way to save money, especially when you're buying gifts. You want to get great gifts, but you want to get the best deal. And Ebates is really going to help you with that. Whether you're buying gifts or you're buying toilet paper, you should use Ebates anytime you shop online. Every single time you shop online, you should be going through Ebates. So like I said, today only, December 13th, there is a special going on where over 200 retailers on Ebates.com are offering 12% cash back. I will have my Ebates link for you guys in the description box. It's always in the description box of every single video that I make. But I will have it linked for you guys. If you do not have an Ebates account and you want one, it is free to sign up. And if you use the link in the description box, you will get $10 cash back into your Ebates account after using Ebates for the first time. Ebates has actually partnered with me on this video to make it a giveaway for you guys, which I'm super excited about because I have worked with them a few times over the years, but most of the time when I talk about them, I'm not working with them. I just like to share them with you guys because I feel like it's such a great company and a great way to save money. But on this video, we are actually partnered together because they are going to offer you guys a giveaway. So Ebates has been generous enough to offer one of you guys a $100 gift card. If you are a new customer to Ebates and you follow the links below to sign up, you'll be entered to win a $100 gift card. So I'm super excited to be able to work with Ebates to offer this to one of you guys. So definitely check out the links in the description box to enter to win. So you do have to be a subscriber of my channel and you do have to sign up for your account in my description box. All the other rules and regulations for the giveaway are listed in the description box. So if you want to be entered into this giveaway, make sure that you sign up through my link in the description box and that you are subscribed to my channel. And then everything else will be written out for you guys in the description box. So those are my best tips for saving money on gifts. I hope that was helpful. This really like shopping this way. It saves me so much time, it saves me so much money, and it saves me so much stress. And I'm not running around trying to find gifts and trying to get a good deal and all that stuff when I've really taken my time and gotten things throughout the year. And of course, using Ebates all the while to save even more money on gifts and stuff that I buy every single day. So definitely, if you're interested in participating in the Ebates giveaway and you're a new customer, you've never used Ebates before, you will definitely want to read the description box where I have all of the terms of the giveaway written out, and I have my link for you to sign up because you've got to sign up through that link in order to sign up for the giveaway. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, how do you like to save money on gifts? Do you draw names? Do you make gifts for everybody? What do you do to save money when it comes to buying gifts all year long, not just for Christmas? So I would really love to know. So make sure you leave those in the comments and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.